Hello, happy virtual Monday. Today we are on lesson 9, chapter 6. We are working with subtracting unlike fractions. Last week we added unlike fractions, so today we are going to be subtracting very similar. We will be using fraction tiles to help us subtract unlike denominators. So let's get started. We have a build it. It says a KO lives 4/5 of a mile from school and Bianca lives 3/10 of a mile from school. How much farther from school does a KO live than Bianca? So as you can see, we have 4/5 and 3/10. And what we need to find out is when we subtract them, how much farther does a KO walk than Bianca? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our little picture here, and it simply asks us some questions. So find what fraction tiles will fit in the area box. So we need to find the unknown. What is 4/5 minus 3/10? So we're going to try, for this example, what they're doing is they're using the tiles to solve the problem. So we're going to try 1/3. Does that fit in the dotted box? Let's see, we have 1/3. Does this fill up the spot? No. So let's go over here and let's write no. All right, so now let's try 1/2. Does 1/2 fill this box? Yes. So this is a way to solve. We can figure out what the missing piece is. And in this case, 1/2 does fit. So we can write yes. And how many 1/2 tiles fit? We had one tile. So since 1/2 fills the area of the dotted box, we can say that 4/5 minus 3/3 is 1/2. So this is another way of doing it. They're using tiles to figure out the missing piece of the puzzle in a sense. We can also do it a different way, which we will get to today or tomorrow. So AKO lives 1/2 mile farther from school than Bianca. Let's look at our second example. It says find 3/4 minus 1/6. So we have our fraction tiles here. Okay, so we need to find the missing piece of the puzzle. It says try 1/3. So let's see, does 1/3 fit? Doesn't look like it. Let's see if maybe 2/3 fit. Nope, that's too big. So we can put a no. 1/3 tile does not fit. Now let's try 1/12. Oops. Well, I know it's definitely more than 1/12. Okay, so Mrs. Wiley aligns these just perfectly. We will see that the 12th actually works. And how many of them do we have that fit in our missing piece of the puzzle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7/12 fit this piece to make sure that our 3/4 are the same. So our missing piece is 7/12. Our 12th tiles do work. We can write yes. How many 1/12 tiles work? 7. So our answer is 7/12. Fills the area of the dotted box. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3/4 minus 1/6 is 7/12. So our answer, again, is 7/12. You can cross out the talk about it. We just talked about it. Okay, let's try some practice ones. So we have 2/3 minus 1/6. Okay, so we're going to look over here. Mrs. Wiley has 2/3 on top, 1/6 on the bottom. We are subtracting, so we need to find the missing piece. Let's just get started and try with 1/2. Does 1/2 fit? Ooh, we lucked out in that one. Yes, so our answer for number 3 is 1/2. So 2/3 minus 1/6 is 1/2. Let's try our next one. We have 5/8 minus 1/4. Okay, so to make this work, you have to line them up side by side. Okay, so let's start with 1/2. Too big. Let's start with 1/3. Pretty similar, but I don't think it works. What do you think? No. 1/4? Nope. 1/5? Maybe 2/5. Nope. Ugh, trial and error. 2/6 maybe? Nope. Oh, ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. So I have, how many are my missing puzzle piece? 1, 2, 3. 3/8. So for number 3, I can write 3/8. Sorry, that's a crazy 3. I would like you to do 5, 6, 7, and 8. Please draw them or take a picture with them on your paper so I can see that you are doing it correctly. I attached a worksheet that has the tiles for you in paper form that you can print out and move around to help you for this lesson. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, please type on Google Chat, and I will be able to meet with you for Google Meet or answer any of your questions that you might have. Have a fabulous day. Bye.